Good morning, YouTube. It is Sunday Funday. I'm sorry if I'm a little quiet. Everybody else in the house is still asleep. I picked up some tickets yesterday out of a local vending machine at a grocery store. We got 2 of the $50,000 payday, 2 of the 25 times the cash, 2 of the Strike It Rich, and I haven't seen this one around very much. I think it's at the end of its days. We got 5 of the Cash Extreme and 4 of the Cash In. Let's see if we can do better in this vending machine session than the last time, because last time was quite brutal. Looking for 3 alike symbols. Can we get a star or a necklace? No dice on that first one. So this one we're looking for 3 like symbols or that 2x with 2 symbols. Zoom in so you guys can actually see it. No dice. And our last one of those. Can we get a win? And no dice on cash in today. Alright, on to Extreme Cash. Looking for a match win and that 10x symbol. $2 and 22. Hey, we got a match in 2. Alright, matching 2 for $4. For 22 and a 20. And no dice on that one. $2 and 13. No dice. $24 and 19. dice there. Can we get a win on our last one? 12 and 15. $24, 16, 3, 17, and 1. Well, we got that $4 win. Now on to Strike It Rich. We are looking for that match win, that money bag, the 5X, or a Strike It Rich number for all 15 prizes. 22, 12, 2, 20, 28, and 6. And 21, 12, so that's a win. 22, that's a win. 3 and 9. So just the 12 and the 22. 4, 5, and 5. It's $10. Alright, looking for a 13, 16, 20, 10, 23, and a 2. Three, 1, 8, 30, and 28. No dice on that one. 25 times the cash. We are looking for a match win, a money bag, 25 times symbol, and that stack of cash in the bonus. Pot of gold, ring, horseshoe. 38, 7, 5, 43, 47. $14, 16, 15, 33, and a 6. No dice on that one. Piggy bank. Stack of cash for the win right there. And gold bar. See if we can get a match. 48, 13, 39, 23, and 12. last row, money bag. 16, 10, 43, and the last spot is a 20. So we got the money bag and the stack of cash up there. 4, 15, and 10 for 25 bucks. Alright, $50,000 payday. We're looking for that match win, the 2, 5, 10, 20, or 50x. Piggy bank for $30, pot of gold for $50, and that diamond for $100. Piggy bank, so that's a $30 win right there. Wallet and berries. Alright, can we get a match to go with that $30? We got 39, 30, 15, 7, 44, 32, 1, and 24. Alright, last row. 22, 18, 41, 29, and a 12. So nothing other than that piggy bank for a $30 win. So we will take it. Alright, let's see if we can go back to back. Banana, horseshoe, and a star. So nothing in the bonus. 34, 6, 40, 18, 19, 47, 12, 31. Alright, last row. Can we get a win? 51, 8, 29, and can we do it on the last spot? 30. No dice on that one. Well, we did definitely do better than our last vending machine. We get that $30 win there. $25 win for 55. It's $10 win for 65. And that $4 bring it to 69. Not bad considering we spent 84 last vending machine session. I think I spent 115 and 135, so it was quite brutal. Y'all have a great lucky rest of your day, and hopefully you guys can find the big wins. Happy Sunday.